My name is Shrishti and my roll number is 24. Today we are going to discuss Hofmann rearrangement reaction. Hofmann rearrangement reaction is named after August von Hofmann and the reaction type is rearrangement reaction. The Hofmann rearrangement reaction is also commonly called as Hofmann degradation reaction. Hofmann rearrangement reaction can be defined as conversion of primary amines into primary amines by the action of potassium or sodium hypobromate. Now, let us understand the terms primary amides and primary amines. Primary amides have general formulas are CONH2. Whenever nitrogen atom is bonding with one carbon atom, it is known as primary amines. So, in short, we can write as nitrogen atom bonding with one carbon atom, it is known as primary amines. Now, what is amine? Amine have general formula of RNH2. So, we can explain primary amine as one aryl group of one R is replaced by one H of ammonia. So, for example, ammonia, that is NH3, ammonia has 3 hydrogen atoms. One atom of hydrogen is replaced by R. So, then we get a primary amine as RNH2. So, now let us understand the general reaction for Hofmann rearrangement reaction. Hofmann rearrangement reaction, general reaction. Amine, when in presence of Br2 or KOH, gets converted into amine. So, RC double bond or NH2 in presence of Br2 or KOH gives RNH2. So, this was the general reaction for Hofmann rearrangement reaction. Now, let us understand the mechanism for Hofmann rearrangement reaction. For mechanism, we will require the general structure of amine, that is RC double bond or NH2. There is one lone pair of electron present on nitrogen. When amide treated with Br2 or KOH, it undergoes bromination reaction and forms N-bromide. RC double bond or NHBr. One lone pair of electron is present. So now what happens is one OH atom is left from KOH. So it reacts with a hydrogen atom and eliminates water molecule. So it forms bromamide anion. So it forms RC double bond or N bond Br. Now there are 2 lone pair of electrons present in nitrogen because one H is removed. So now what happens is further we will remove this Br atom. Now what will happen is when Br atom will remove one lone pair of electron of nitrogen will form bond with R and one lone pair of electron present on nitrogen will form double bond with C double bond. So what we will get is isocyanic. Now what we will get is R N double bond C double bond O. So what I will do is now I will add H2O to it. So what will happen? One hydrogen atom will get attached with N and other OH minus ion will go and attach with C double bond. So what will happen here is we will get it as R NH C double bond O OH. So now what I will do is I will eliminate carbon dioxide, that is this part, and what I will get is an amine, that is a primary amine RNH2. This is the mechanism for Hofmann rearrangement reaction.